All right, so it's the next morning, day 3. We're gonna take a look at the car and see if we can figure out what the misfire is. Probably just pull a plug or two and see if we can find something obvious. Otherwise, we're just gonna fuel it up, top up the oil, and head towards Memphis. Would be in the way. It's better to not have an extension, and this is the big socket, so we'll need the big one.
You did say that, didn't you?
Get to this. Not crack a plug.
Yeah, that would be
bad.
Bad.
Well, since we couldn't really find anything, we're just gonna fill it up with gas and head to Tennessee. All right, just crossing into Arkansas. Almost there. We've got one more state to go, and we'll be back in Tennessee. Sign for Memphis. Yep. Made it to Memphis. So we accomplished our goal. You know, back in February we set out a plan to find a 64 to 66 Thunderbird, preferably something like a barn find, and go through it, show the process of getting it up and running, just so that we can give it to Dad here and he can enjoy it. Over the last 3 days, we've covered 1,200 miles, seen some amazing things, gotten to drive on Route 66 for a good portion of it, and just overall had an amazing time. I can't say thank you enough for following along on this journey with us, supporting us, and just giving us all kind of encouragement. I want to thank Dad for the opportunity to go through this and get to experience this Thunderbird. Thank you guys for watching. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button and click on the bell to be notified when new videos come out. That's going to wrap up this project. We've got some exciting new things coming up on the channel, so make sure to stay tuned. We'll see you later. To do a quick morning after update on the Thunderbird, and it looks like we've had another murder scene. It decided to puke ATF out somewhere, so now we get to look and see where that's coming from. Hopefully it's something simple and not like, you know, it decided to lose the front seal on the transmission. So we'll take a look at it and figure it out.
Trash now.
So we figured out this is number 8, and that sucker's not been firing for a long time. So now we have to figure out why it's not firing. Alright, so we cleaned up the plug. We're going to try and fire it up. So it'll be 3 or 4 pumps, and then... Yep. better. I mean, it's still a little rough. And I hear a lifter tick just a touch. We didn't check the oil after we drove 125 miles. Well, with all 8 cylinders firing, she's running good again. Now to fix the murder scene. Hey guys, just wanted to do a quick fleet update. So the Model A is running great. You saw in the last video, we just replaced the front motor mount, and that seems to be working really well. Not really anything significant to do on this one. It does still have a little bit of a drip on the fuel shutoff valve. So we've got to fix that, but otherwise that's just enjoying it and driving it. I mean, it's just a cool old car and seems to be running pretty well. So nothing really significant going on with the Model A. Coming over to the Ranchero, next big steps for it. So it just got power brakes and it's still running drums right now, but we're going to upgrade to front discs pretty soon, and that should really help this thing stop. And then the next big upgrade for it is we're looking at doing a Holly Sniper fuel injection system with the computer controlled distributor as well, and that should really just wake this car up and make it a whole lot more drivable. And when it comes to the Thunderbird, well, you've seen enough of this car for right now. There's going to be some future updates. We'll keep you guys posted on the status of the transmission leak and the lifter, and any big changes that go on with this one. But for the time being, I think Dad's just going to enjoy driving it. So just wanted to give you all a quick update on what all has been going on with some of the other cars in the Auto Anatomy fleet.